The Laṅkāvatāra Sūtra, Part 57. The Bhagavan then told Mahāmati Bodhisattva, I will now tell you the different characteristics common to the projection body. Listen carefully and ponder this well. Mahāmati said, Wonderful Bhagavan, may we be so instructed. The Buddha told Mahāmati, there are three kinds of projection bodies. And what are the three kinds? They are the projection body that experiences the bliss of samadhi, the projection body that realizes the essential nature of dharmas, and the projection body whose natural state is motionless. Once practitioners reach the first stage, they will obtain these three bodies as they progress through the subsequent stages. Mahāmati, what is the projection body that experiences the bliss of samadhi? When those at the third, fourth, and fifth stages experience the bliss of samadhi, their myriad thoughts become still. Though they dwell in the ocean of the mind, the waves of consciousness cease, and they realize that whatever they perceive is nothing but their own mind, and does not exist by itself. This is what is meant by the projection body that experiences the bliss of samadhi. Mahāmati, what is the projection body that realizes the essential nature of dharmas? When those at the eighth stage contemplate and understand that all dharmas are illusory and devoid of anything real, they experience a transformation of mind and body and attain the samadhi of the illusory. And while in this and other samadhis, they are adorned with the powers, masteries, and knowledge of limitless forms that unfold like flowers as fast as their thoughts. But like illusions or dreams or moonlight on the water, or reflections in a mirror, they are not created of or by material elements, though they might seem to be. With their every limb thus adorned by all manner of attributes, they enter the Buddha assemblies of every land, where they become versed in the nature of dharmas. This is what is meant by the projection body that realizes the essential nature of dharmas. Mahāmati, what is the projection body whose natural state is motionless? The realization that the characteristics of all the teachings of all the Buddhas are based on the bliss of personal attainment. This is what is meant by the projection body whose natural state is motionless. Mahāmati, the contemplation and understanding of the characteristics of these three bodies are something you should cultivate. The Buddha then repeated the meaning of this in verse. My path is not a great path, nor is it instruction or words, nor is it truth or liberation, nor is it a realm of nothingness. The path of the Mahayana includes the power of samadhi, different projection bodies, adornments of self-mastery.